Hi, my name is Kendall. I'm an account representative here at CoinFlip, and I'm going to tell you how this Bitcoin ATM can add value to your business. CoinFlip is the leading Bitcoin ATM operator. With over 2,500 ATMs placed across 47 states, we've been listed as Crane's fastest growing company in Chicago. When you host an ATM, you're giving your community the opportunity to purchase crypto in a safe, easy, and affordable way. Hosting a CoinFlip ATM gives you a steady source of passive income. In addition to the increased foot traffic for your business, we handle everything. That's cash collection, maintenance, and we offer an unmatched 24/7 customer support team. How awesome is that? What are the requirements to host this beautiful Bitcoin ATM? CoinFlip ATMs can be placed in almost any small business. We have two requirements. One, your store at least has about 2 square feet of space to house our beautiful kiosk. In addition to that, your store must be open till 7 p.m. Our data have shown our ATMs do phenomenal in vape shops, convenience stores, gas stations, and more. Your business is not excluded. You don't need to be a crypto expert. Our 24/7 customer support team takes care of all your questions and concerns. All right, you ready to get the ball rolling? It's simple. Reach out to the number or email that's listed on the screen to check your store's eligibility. Contract approval takes 24 to 48 hours. Following, we'll set up the delivery and installation and have your store live within 2 to 3 weeks. Welcome to the Flip fam.